So hello guys. So my boards has officially ended, and I will show a demo today. The demo is of this INMP441 I2C microphone module, and I have made a wireless transmission program which transmits the audio through Wi-Fi from this ESP32 to any browser using a HTML file. So basically, if I will not show you the tutorial because I have already mentioned it in this repo of GitHub, which I will provide you this link. There are all the versions of the code. This is the latest one, obviously, and this readme file has the complete tutorial, so you guys will not need my help, even though I have made it, but still. So basically, now I will show you the tutorial, right? So first of all, let me plug this in. After plugging it in, in the serial monitor it has printed the IP address, which will be mentioned in the HTML code, which I have already done. Which one was it? Yeah, this one. This is the index thing, index.html, in which I have mentioned the IP address. And so first of all, let's do this. Hello. As you guys can see, the audio, I am stepping away from the microphone. As you guys can see, the audio is very clear, not very clear, but it is definitely audible. Hello. And this will increase, the quality will increase with optimization of code, which I have not done properly. Module wise, this module is a ripoff kind of, so yeah, it's not really that good. Also, the network also matters. Hello. I lose connection, guys. Hello. So now I will mute my audio in here, and you will see it completely from the website or HTML. So you can't hear me now. So you can't hear me right now, and still, as you guys can see, this is more or less audible. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will do the outro here only. Hope you enjoyed the